Here's a 1956 Oldsmobile 88 four-door Holiday, or of course four-door hardtop. Just in it unique, especially in classics. Underneath the hood, 324 V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. So we take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one, as far as the grille and the bumper, headlights, surrounds, of course the hood ornaments. Paint has a nice shine to it. This is an original Canton green, 31 paint code, and Alcan white, 60 paint code. And you can see that data tag where the paint codes are. You'll be able to see the VIN tag, underside pictures, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on wide white wall radials, Oldsmobile center caps or wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a small imperfection in the paint here or there on this car. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. You can get into a car like this without breaking the bank and still have tons of fun with it. Take a look at the interior, which appears to be original, with the plastic seat protectors on it, which were very common back in the 50s. Appears seat belts have been added. Dash looking very stock with the exception of the aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer, start it up, let's hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As we get a look at the dual exhaust exiting the rear. Chrome in the back bumper looks good. And once again, paint has a nice shine to it. There are some spots where you can kind of see some imperfections of the paint. Again, it is very subtle. I don't even know if you can see that. It's kind of just a little bit of a blister area. A little spot here. It's not that it looks terrible. It's just not as smooth as the rest of the finish. And it's tough to see. It's even tough to get it to show up in the videos and the pictures. But just trying to give you a fair overview of the car. Nothing that's going to stop you from driving it, enjoying it, and having some fun, though. Let's put it that way. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them. We've highlighted a couple of those areas there in the still pictures, so you can take a close look at them. A few notes from the technician. Looked at this car. It does have 4 new wheel cylinders, front and back. The brakes that are 80% or better, front and rear. Steering box rebuilt. He also noted great runner heat works and minor drivetrain seeps. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car you can get in and turn the key and go. And he mentioned gas gauge in ops. You want to watch the miles. Between Phillips, let's look down this driver's side. If you like these 50s Oldsmobiles or maybe 1950s General Motors cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor, of course, if you can see it. To make it to see us in person, we always appreciate that. All right, let's peek over this interior a little bit closer. Again, these door panels look like those could be original. Headliner with the crossbows, rear seat, and again, you're going to be able to see this all in the still pictures. Let's fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, of course, Jason will take it for a drive. 324 V8, fired right up. Top of the dash. Looks good, a lot of bright work on the interior of the car, also nice shape. There's the aftermarket gauge cluster with oil pressure, amp meter, and temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up much. Listen to that door close, very solid. Little rumble coming out of this one. Sounds good. Rochester 4-barrel. Sitting on top of the 324 V8. And again, power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission. Let me pause it a second so we can get this hood open, take a peek at the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. Good look at the underside of the hood. And let's sneak under here, take a look at the engine bay. Off and Hauser valve covers. Batteries from August 22, just a few years old. There it is. Sounds good, looks good underneath there, what you'd expect. '56 Oldsmobile 88 4-door holiday or hardtop. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1956 Oldsmobile 88. Beautiful car. Think 56 Chevy, 56 Pontiac, 56 Buick. They're all great looking cars. Oldsmobile, a little bit more body lines. So many great curves and points and style. The dash is amazing. Our turn signal indicator is working. This is an automatic on the column. Just put it in drive and go. I do have the wing window cracked open a little bit. As when closed all the way, there's a little bit of a whistle, which is to be expected with some of the older weather stripping in this car. Now the steering wheel's clocked slightly to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. The factory horn is working as it should. Really amazing condition. The original factor is strong with this car. Underneath the dash, the only thing I see non-original looking is some extra gauges that are very useful. The oil pressure showing 40 psi, the battery charging over halfway on the gauge, and the temperature approximately 190. The rest of this car, even the carpeting and the door panels and the headliner, look to be original to me. Speedometer is working as it should. Now the fuel gauge is reading empty, so that may not be accurate. Over on the right, matching the speedometer, is a clock. The amount of style that goes into just a clock in a 1956 Oldsmobile is staggering. Brakes feel good. Nice quiet hum to this car. It's happy to go down the road. Corners as it should. Luxurious in the corners. How'd you expect that? The seat protector's still on the seats. Bench seat in front and back. That great looking green and white two-tone. Take a look at all the pictures of this Oldsmobile at uniqueclassiccars.com.